Every single motivational video, every single thing that I've ever done and accomplished or failed at has all led down to one thing, and it's super obvious. And a person who can be a failure can give you this example or this idea of what is the reason you fail at everything or the reason you succeed. It comes down to this one thing: is energy. Now, energy is super weird because, even an expert or something, if they lose their energy and they become tired and exhausted and stressed and burnt out, or whatever the reason that they start to fall apart, their energy starts to drift and lower, and they start doing badly. They start doing poorly and fail and so on. On the other hand, if you start eating healthy and you become energetic and you work out and you build up more energy from within, you become more excited and you have, let's say, even egotistical energy. Wherever the energy comes from, you start to do better. You start to succeed, at least in the goals that you're trying to do. Imagine if you had an endless amount of energy. You'd be like, oh yeah, I'll go work out. No problem. And then I'll take out the trash, and then I'll do the dishes, and then I'll write this report thing, and then I'll do this extra hustle, and I'll go to work, and I'll come home, and just steady, just amazing energy. Like, you would just start doing everything. It's the fact that we have to kind of fuel ourselves and keep bringing it up emotionally, mentally, whatever the case, that if you focus on energy and how you make it and keeping it and not wasting it, your whole life will change. Now, taking it from somebody with, say, a moderate physique, and sometimes I struggle as an artist and so on, this is still valid because it's hard. It's really fucking hard to build up your energy and to do it efficiently. And the great thing is that a lot of people share what's worked for them, and hopefully you can take it on. And sometimes things only work for certain mindsets and certain periods of your life or certain locations and the struggle of life. But the more you can focus on just how can I efficiently order my energy and make it work for me, the rest of your life will start to succeed. You'll hit your goals. You'll feel more fulfilled. You'll feel more grateful for everything. Everything starts with this one thing: energy. If you don't have it, you have nothing. And it's insane that I never really put it into such a simple word. So it all comes down to that one thing. Motivation comes from energy. It's just insane. So I just wanted to share that thinking as a process of stream of thought is happening in my life. Till next time.